So what is going on, guys? It's me, Victor, back again, and welcome back to my shop. As you guys can see, I'm over here at the shop, the new and improved shop. Well, not improved, I mean I still have a bunch of stuff that I need to take care of. So I haven't, since I did the shop update, I haven't been able to do anything on the shop. The reason for that being is I have some stucco done in the walls all the way around the house, and I haven't had the chance to be able to work on anything just because I had the cart inside, because I didn't want to have all that concrete getting on top of the cars. I had to move Hudson's car over there, and I just had I had to clean everything all the way around the house. So it's gonna be, I think, the third week. They've been working on it. First week was removing the vinyl. Second week was doing the putting all the concrete on the wall, and now this weekend they're gonna come and they're gonna paint. So they're gonna be painting. So that's the only days I'm working at the shop, is on the weekends, due to I have a full-time job, and I only work on the shop on the weekends. So that being said, I have a bunch of old videos that I recorded last year, and since I haven't been that active on YouTube, I'm going to start putting all those videos out for you guys. And yeah, if you guys see the difference on the shop, it's because of that, just because all them videos are old. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos and enjoy. What is going on, guys? It's me, Victor, back again. Welcome back to my shop. And finally, today is the day where we taking the Civic, eBay Turbo Civic, to the dyno. So I gotta do, I'll be in preparation of having this motor dyno ready, which I'll be replacing spark plugs. The injectors I'll be putting in at the dyno, because I want to be able to drive the car on the trailer. We also are upgrading the fuel pump. We're gonna put a Walbro 450 fuel pump we have here, brand new on the box. Also, I'll be showing you guys how to install a fuel pump upgrade relay kit, so you don't burn your harness, your factory harness. So I also have the chip ECU. We are gonna be going with Chrome, either Chrome or Neptune. I don't know what the tuner he uses, but yeah. Let me start. Let me see where I'm gonna start with. So I'm gonna start doing the spark plugs. I'll be putting some NGKs. Let me see, where's the box at? The NGKs, I'll be putting this ones on. That's the part number. The spark plugs that I like to use are really cold for a turbo. So yeah, let me go ahead and start replacing the spark plugs. Also checking timing, checking for leaks, and make sure the car doesn't have no issues, because I don't want to have no issues at the dyno. I want to have this thing just go over there, put on the dyno, get it tuned, and get out. I hate having issues on the dyno, because it just, you know, it just takes more time to get everything, you know, dialed in. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm getting ready to rebuild or recondition the injectors. I already took these injectors and got them flow tested, which I'm gonna drop the clip now so you guys see how they are nice and even. So after I have those injectors flow tested, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the filter, replace this little hat it has right here, and replace all the O-rings and plastic bushings that it has. So on eBay, they sell these kits. They're like $15, I think it is. So I mean, you have with this you get everything to pretty much make them new after you have them flow tested. So it's pretty simple. You grab a flathead screwdriver and you pop this top injector off. I mean the top hat off, just like that. Pops off. Then you remove the O-ring, and then you remove the O-ring, and then remove the plastic spacer that it has, and then you just go to your the bag and get the plastic piece, put it on the injector, grab the black O-ring, install it on the bottom, grab the hat, and just press it in, and that's it for the bottom. Now for the top, just grab you can grab it with your nails or your finger. You can remove that O-ring, and then you go ahead and install the brown O-ring and go ahead and install it on top. And then for the filter inside, so I grab my pocket flathead screwdriver and I install it on the hole, and I remove the filter out of it. So to install the other one, just install it and then just goes in nice and easy. And if you guys want to make sure it's nice and secure, just tap it a couple times, it should be good. So that injector is ready for installation. Let me go ahead and do the other ones now. Just like that, injectors are pretty much good to go. They're all reconditioned, new seals and hats and everything, and O-rings. Here's all the old parts. So they're ready for install, but I'm not gonna install them until we get to the dyno, because these injectors are 1600cc injectors. So I'll be showing you guys how to replace the fuel pump. Over here it has a 10mm bolt, so you can grab your 10mm socket and extension with a ratchet and just look for that bolt. Since you find it, after you remove that 10mm bolt, you grab the seat and just pull it. The seat belts, they need to go back through the holes, just like that. And then after that, you can just wiggle. I'm gonna move this seat forward so I can have more space. So, and after that, you can just wiggle around the seat, and you got room to remove it. And then you grab a Phillips screwdriver and then pop this 4 screws out. And after that, you can pop this up, and then you can see the tank is here. So this is the fuel pump right here. So what you're gonna do after that is unplug it. Unplug the fuel pump. That's the only thing you're gonna do, because that's the only thing we're gonna be messing around with. And then after that, you grab needle nose pliers and just grab these hose, the hose clamp, and just move it back so you can be able to remove the hose. That's done. Then after that, you're gonna grab your 17mm socket and remove that. After you remove that, you always gotta make sure if it has pressure in the system, this might blow some gas around. So you guys gotta be careful with that. Use eye protection. Another thing, you guys gotta make sure always be careful with the washers, because it has some washers on it on the top and the bottom, and you have to put them back. If you don't put it back, you're gonna have a fuel leak. So just move the line to the side, and then you're ready to remove all these 10mm bolts. I mean, not bolts, nuts. Always the last one is the worst one. And after you remove all 6 of them, just pull it up. Just move it around until it starts coming out. And just like that, a few pump is out. So here in the bench I have the pump, the old pump. I'm gonna upgrade it with the AEM 320 E85 compatible pump, because we're pretty sure we're gonna run E85 on this car. So see, if you can see, pretty much it's the same thing. The only thing you're gonna have to end up doing is doing the wiring on the pump, which is easy. So yeah, let me go ahead and start swapping it out, the old one for the new one. So here we have both pumps. This one's a little bit taller. It's pretty much almost the same thing on the bottom. And on top, except for being a little bit taller. And the connector being different. There's not that much difference. It's almost a direct swap. So it's like, as you can see, I got the new pump installed. I reused the sack, and then I reused the hose. So I just replaced that clamp because the factory one didn't fit, and then I soldered the wire here. So yeah, now it's ready for install. So I have the new Hasper mounts installed on the car. Feels more solid now. Also I have the torque mounts up, those are factory, and then I'm getting ready to install now the brand new fuel tank. That baby's gonna say bye-bye pretty soon. So I have the Walbro 450 installed already on the car. I'm about to install this the relay, so it's pretty straightforward. But this one goes to the pump, straight to the pump. All right, just like that. And then this other one goes to this connector right here. Yeah, it's hard to do. It's hard to do things with one hand. That's why God gave us two hands. Okay, even with two hands, and then the other one is right there. So now these other two wires that I got right here, they go positive, negative to the battery terminals. So it's really straightforward. So it has all these harness. It goes all the way down to the battery. So I'm gonna run those wires right now, and then I'm gonna kick in the fuel pump and see how it runs. So the harness for the fuel pump relay got fed through here, through the factory hole, all the way through here, all the way through there to the battery. So now you can hear the 450 powering on, and then turns on. So here you see both of the wires, one here, one to the ground. This is a temporary fix, because I would like to put these wires inside to a 12 volts source. So yeah, that's for the time being for now, because I'm in the time crunch right now. My appointment on the dyno is at 5:30, so I still gotta take a shower. Load out the Civic and the trailer, but yeah, everything else is fine on it. Fuel pump checked, relay checked, oil change, no leaks whatsoever. The fan turns on. I mean, no fuel leaks, no leaks at all. So hopefully this is a simple dyno day, no major issues. So that's my main concern, not having no issues. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the dyno.